In front of me is Nokia G60 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, open Settings. Now you need to click on Connected Devices over here and then select Pair New Device. Now just wait for available ones to show, and when they do, tap on the chosen one, in my case this one. Now in order to connect, you need to select Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other smartphone to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can do that by selecting this gear icon next to chosen device, clicking on Forget over here, and confirming your choice in this pop-up by tapping on Forget Device. If you wish to connect to the same one, just click on Pair New Device, click on it, and do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!